FIR has been lodged against SFI activists and West Bengal's Finance Minister Amit Mitra and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee were also given medical attention after being heckled in the capital. Here's how the drama played out.
How physically Amit Mitra is being assaulted. My minister is assaulted. Yes, they tell me also. Is it planning commission? Is it a political place now? No. How the police are? Sir, we are not safe to come to Delhi under this administration. I'm sorry to say. What atrocity? Tomorrow I'll show you CPM. Don't talk that down also. Tomorrow I'll show. Only they are doing nothing. Where is that administration? Where is that? Again, we are not coming to Delhi. I'm telling you. Delhi is not safe for the people. This scandal is going on. 20 hooligans. हम लोगों को police didn't allow us to enter even. 20 minutes we were stuck in there. And 10 hooligans in the name of dirty politics. They will never come in Bengal. They will never come in India, I'm telling you. The dirty politics. Petty politics.
Mamata Banerjee agitated there, cancelled her planned meeting with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh that was scheduled for yesterday. Let's get a word in from Priyanka Gupta joining us live this morning from Kolkata. Priyanka, to take us through how things stack up. Mamata, of course, cancelling that visit, very agitated there. The left, though, the CPM also distancing itself, condemning the violence from their own student wing, leaving the SFI fairly isolated over these incidents.
That's correct, Amrita. In a deeply polarized state of Bengal, with left front seen as the arch rival by the Trinamool, its workers are not going to be seen as carved down. They will hit the streets. The district president, the secretaries have been given a diktat by the party top leadership to hit the streets today and protest peacefully. That, of course, has been reiterated by the Trinamool Congress ministers as well as the Chief Minister. In fact, on the All India Trinamool Congress Twitter page, the message from the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been to conduct protests peacefully, because there was a concern with widespread ransacking and violence that we have seen in Bengal in the last 12 hours ever since the incident at Yojana Bhavan. So we have seen party offices being ransacked, CPM workers also been assaulted. There have been several cars and vehicles of former ministers that have been vandalized. That, of course, a huge concern for the Trinamool Congress leadership, because after all, they are part of the government and they do not want the situation to completely go out of hand, as it can boomerang. The law and order, of course, are completely under Mamata Banerjee. Of course, she is the Home Minister of the state. But, of course, Trinamool Congress workers are going to make a political capital out of it. They are going to leverage this incident as much as possible. Similarly, as the left front had with the Sudipta Gupta's death last week on Tuesday, and we had seen scenes of protest in the streets of Kolkata, and similar protests, of course, ironically coming just a week after Sudipta Gupta's death, will be seen in Kolkata today. But Mamata Banerjee, of course, losing her cool is not really the first time. The package that we played out showed intemperate language, and of course, Mamata Banerjee lashing out against Montek Singh Ahluwalia. But this is certainly not the first time that Didi lost her cool. Take a listen.
They are selected only for Maoist organization.
No, I'm sorry.
Okay. I cannot say I am the prestige. No. Okay. I am not. Okay. This is a different. No. I cannot say the Maoist.
ছেড়ে দাও না তুমি চেপে রাখো
Well, there you have it, shocking scenes, not just outside Yojana Bhavan, but also inside the Planning Commission office. The big question is what happens at the emergency meeting called by the left front. Will any accountability be fixed? Will any action be taken against the SFI activists yesterday?